A study conducted in 2015 at the University of Reading appears to indicate that something as common as orange juice can improve cognitive function in the elderly. In this study, the researchers had 37 participants, who had a mean age of 67 years, consume 500 milliliters of orange juice every day for 8 weeks. The goal was to see if this would affect their global cognitive function score. This score is a combination of scores for tests covering reaction time, verbal fluency, and memory. The participant scores were taken at the beginning of the study, and then again when the test was over. At the end of the study, the participants showed an average improvement in their global cognitive score of 8%. This is certainly interesting, but what is behind all this? Is it possible to get these kinds of benefits from other types of juice as well? The evidence appears to say yes. Orange juice, as well as juices derived from other sources, contains an abundance of nutrients that lend themselves to good health for the brain and the body overall. These include vitamins and minerals, but they are also a great source of a special kind of antioxidant called flavonoids, which are quite beneficial for brain health. More evidence for the power of juice. A 2016 study lent further credence to the benefits of juice for the brain, this time with Concord grape juice. This study originally intended to observe the effects of Concord grape juice consumption in people who regularly experience stress. The researchers chose 25 middle-aged mothers of preteen children for their test group. The findings were quite significant. They found that daily consumption of 12 ounces of Concord grape juice for 12 weeks resulted in improved spatial and verbal memory, executive functioning, and reduced blood pressure in those participants with hypertension. Interestingly, high blood pressure has been linked to an increased risk of cognitive decline. Other juices like pomegranate juice are also known to contain compounds with neuroprotective qualities. The truth is that you just can't go wrong by adding more high-quality, all-natural juices to your diet. They are packed with nutrients that are demonstrably beneficial for every aspect of your health, including cognitive functioning. Be wary of mass-produced, commercial brands of juice. Some of these brands have added sugars or even worse, high-fructose corn syrup. These sweeteners are terrible for you and will completely negate whatever health benefits they offer. It's best to stick with the real thing. Pick up some organic, all-natural juice today, or better yet, start juicing your own fruits and vegetables. Don't be surprised if you see a noticeable difference in your energy levels and mental clarity very quickly. Combine that with an overall healthy and active lifestyle, and there is a good chance that you can reasonably expect to stay mentally sharp well into old age.